apples like a big kid. You're drinking water like a big kid. Good job. Yay, Ella. Yay.
Yay, little one.
You want it
One
again?
more?
You're going to have some big burps. Okay. Too much? Too much? A little bit more? Okay, this is it. That's it. All done. Good job.
Yay, little one.
Good job. Mommy's so proud of you. Now say thank you, Dada. Thank you, Dada, for giving me your water.
Oh, she's so cranky. Hi, little one.